guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup look for you guys. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to try to match it with my flannel. Let's just hope it turns out cute. If not, I'm not going to post it, but here's how my flannel looks. It's cute. So right now I'm going to be putting on my primer. Okay, so I'm putting on my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. So now I'm going to put on my foundation. I'm going to be taking my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is how it looks. I should have done my eyeshadow first, but oh well. I look sick. Now for my under eyes. That looks sick right now. I'm gonna put my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm just patting it because it's like really dry. There you go. Just have to make yourself look like a ghost. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking my Laura Mercier. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to take my little pad. I don't even know what it's called, but I'm going to take this little thing. I'm just going to pat a little bit on. The reason why I don't bake my face like so crazy like everybody else is because I add more powder later on. And for me to get ready for work, which I am doing right now. Okay, so I'm just going to leave my face like this and I'm going to do my eyeshadow now. I think I have to make this quick because my freaking camera is dying. I am taking my Cara Beauty palette and I'm just going to add the lightest shade again, which is this right here. I'm going to take this and this. I don't really know what look I'm doing, but oh well. Okay, so now I'm going to add this red color from my Aphrodite Bad Habit from Hush. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of this and then a little bit of red. Now I'm going to go back and add more orange because it got lost. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into my Cara Beauty palette. And I'm going to take this purplish color right here. That's the closest color that it's going to get to my shirt. It looks like I have a black eye, but that's okay. So now I am going to cut my crease with my concealer. This time I think I'm going to do the whole thing. So I'm going to do to the other side and I'll be right back. So I think it looks uneven, but that's okay. So now I'm going to try to put white eyeliner. I don't know if it's going to look cute, but I'm going to try, so bear with me. I'm taking my Urban Decay Razor Sharp Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, I don't think this is going to be cute, but here it goes. I feel like I should add a black eyeliner or something. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding my mascara. This is Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, whatever. I never read this to you guys, but I don't know how to say the name. But this is from Forever 21. Okay. As you guys can see, I already contoured half of my nose. I'm just gonna blend. And to contour my nose, I'm using my Kat Von D Shade of Light palette. After I contour my nose, I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna contour my face. Now I know it looks intense, but just let it be. I'm gonna go and add blush. I'm gonna go into my Cara Beauty palette. I'm gonna take these over here. Okay, so this looks like a lot, which it is. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, whatever. Just gonna clean up. Now I'm gonna clean up my contour. Now I'm gonna go back with the same colors that I used for my eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put some under my eyes, and I'm gonna go back with the purple, and I'm just gonna darken it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Bad Habit Retro Love palette. This is the palette that I bought from Hush. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take this white shimmery shade right here. Kind of looks like purplish too, if you kind of look at it in the light. So it's gonna match. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put it on in my inner corners and just highlight my whole face with it. Now, going in with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna pat it all down. Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna match, but I'm gonna be taking my Morphe matte lipstick. It's in the shade Honey. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm gonna try to. Let's see if it matches. So here is the finished look. I actually do like this. I feel like my lips are too brown. I mean, it does still go with the look, and it's just that I don't like that it looks a little too brown. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna see if I can like put some color into this to match with my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop lippy stick, and it's in the shade, well, this was from Beautycon, but I don't know. But I'm gonna take this right here and add some. So here is the finished look. This is what I'm gonna go for today. So I guess this video was kind of more of a get ready with me, so hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be going to work in a little bit, so yes, this is me getting ready. I'm always extra.